How you doing? So today we're going to make this very, very simple but absolutely delicious chickpea curry. Touch of coconut milk, some wonderful spices, really easy to make, healthy, vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's get started by taking a look at what we're going to need. Now I've got some chickpeas here cooked. Now I'm using mine from a can. There's 2 cans of cooked chickpeas. Give them a nice wash in water. If you're using from a can, wash them out. The water they come in is not fantastic. Run them through with some cold water. I've got 3 regular sized tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. 1 onion cut nice and small. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Some fresh green chilies. The amount is up to you. Garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon there. And then here, always call this the big 4. If you're a regular, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We've got equal parts here, like a teaspoon each only of turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin. And here we've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to add a couple of other little bits as we go along. So I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. In goes those cumin seeds. Just let them do their thing in the oil. Now, I get accused of using a lot of oil. I probably do. You can just use less if you want, don't worry. Okay, let's get our onion and drop that in. And we're on a high heat. And we're going to go for 3 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add the garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste being a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. If you don't have it, you can just chop some garlic and ginger, but we use this a lot in our kitchen. Salt. The fresh chili, the amount's up to you. I've just got 2 regular size small chili. We're going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look. Equal parts, 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin. In that goes. Staying on this high heat. Look at that. We've got these lovely, vibrant colours coming out now. And then we're going to add the tomato. Fresh tomatoes. I've got 3, just kind of regular sized ones there. Now we're going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. I really want to get those tomatoes cooked down. Hence, try and use a nice ripe tomato. Stay on the high heat, keep it moving. We might get some moisture from it. If not, we're going to add a bit more anyway. And that's where we want our tomatoes to be really cooked down nicely. Like that. Now we're going to get our chickpeas. Like I said, I've got 2 cans. Regular cans of chickpeas there. Get them in. We're going to add a little bit of water. And again, we're going to let this go. Stay on the high heat and let it go for another 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. So we're now going to add 3 things. One of them I showed you earlier. That's the cilantro or coriander chopped. Then a nice splash of coconut milk. And some garam masala powder, which is a nice finishing powder. Get a nice big pinch of that in there. Maybe half a teaspoon or something like that. Okay, let it go now for another 4 minutes and it's done. It's beautiful and easy. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, really simple, beautiful chickpea curry. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. And I'll see you very, very soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.